Welcome to the Villa Chefs. Today we are making a very easy and delicious Burmese dish, khao soi. Put a deep pan on medium-high flame and add oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add the red curry paste and stir fry for 30 to 40 seconds. As we fry the paste, it will loosen up a little bit. To cook it further, we will add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut milk, stir it and mix it well. These days, Thai red curry paste is easily available in grocery stores and Asian stores. Keep stirring till the oil separates from the paste. You can see now the oil has separated from the paste. It's time to add the chicken. Increase the flame to high, mix well and saute the chicken till it changes its color. It will take 5 to 6 minutes on high flame. Now we add the rest of the coconut milk and the chicken stock. We put in the soya sauce and the sugar, mix everything very nicely and let it come to a nice boil. We will continue to cook the chicken uncovered till it's well cooked, soft and tender. While the chicken is cooking, in another pot, boil good amount of water and add the noodles. You can use egg noodles, udon noodles or any other type of noodles you get. Drain the noodles once cooked, rinse them with cold water and leave them to drain the excess water. Take a handful of boiled noodles and deep fry them in hot oil till nicely golden and crisp. We will use these fried noodles for garnishing later. In a small frying pan, put a teaspoon of oil and fry the garlic slices, constantly stirring them till they are nicely golden. Drain them and keep them aside as well for garnishing. Our chicken is done. The consistency of the gravy is not too thick and not too runny. We are ready to serve. In a soup plate or a bowl, put some noodles at the bottom. Top it up with chicken gravy. Add garnishes one by one. Spring onion, both white and green part. Coriander or cilantro as it's called in many places. Fried onion. Fried garlic. Pickled vegetables or pickled mustard greens. And finally, crispy fried noodles. And there you go. Delicious and simple to cook khao soi is ready to eat. Please support us by liking and subscribing to our channel to bring you more such recipes from around the world. Villa Chefs signing out.